Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add fonts in Figma. Alright, so let's begin. Here, we have some text in our design file using one of Figma's pre-installed fonts. But let's say we want to download and install a custom font and add it to our Figma project so we can use it throughout. First, you'll need to find and download the font you want from the web. You can use any site or platform that offers downloadable fonts. Once you've chosen the font, locate its download button. Most of the time, the font will be downloaded as a zip file. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, the process is similar. Find the zip file you just downloaded and extract its contents. On Windows, right-click and choose Extract, while on Mac, you can simply double-click. Inside, you'll likely find a .ttf file TrueType font, though it may also be .otf or another format. The installation process remains the same. Double-click the font file to open it. On Windows, you'll see a preview window with an Install button. On Mac, you'll get an install prompt as well. Just click Install. Once installed, you'll need to restart Figma so it can detect the new font. Make sure to completely close the Figma application, then reopen it. In this example, the font we downloaded was named Napoli. So after restarting, I'll select my text, search for Napoli in Figma's font menu, and there it is. Once selected, we can now use it across our current project and any future Figma projects. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add fonts in Figma. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.